Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to start some of the functions which are used to manipulate the string values. Okay, so these are built-in function. So let's start with the capitalize function, and this function returns the string in sentence case. Sentence case, that means the first letter of the sentence will be the capital one. Okay, so let me show you with the example. So we here is str, the string value I'm going to pass is I am really good in typing. Okay, so now after this I'm going to just print out str.capitalize. Okay, so this capitalize function will not take any parameter, no parameter. Okay, it just capitalize the first letter, that is this. It will just make this sentence in the sentence case. As you can see here, the I is small here. Okay, so now let's see the output. It is very simple. You can see the first letter is I, this is small, and you can see here the capital one. Okay, so this capitalize the first letter of the sentence. Now take one note that the value of this str is still the same. Okay, the value is still the same. It is still the small letter I here, but the capitalize function returns a new string. Okay, and this you are saying this is the new string value. Fine. So now the next function we are going to use is count function. Now this count function returns the number of occurrences of the substring specified as the parameter. So let me show you the example and you'll get what I mean. So just in place of capitalize, let's put count and give the parameter over here. So I'm going to give O. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so here we have error because you need to put this O inside of double quote. Okay, so again run the program. Now you see the result over here 2. Okay, so that means the O here in this string value, in this sentence, in this value, the O occurrence of O is 2 times. You can see here good, in good is there is 2 O. Okay, so if you write here full word like in, okay, so you get the result 2. So in 2, because one is this and another one is this here in typing. Okay, so this is what the count function does. The count function returns the number of occurrences of the substring that is specified inside the parameter of count function. Okay, so these are the two built-in function used to manipulate the string values in Python. See you in the next video. Thank you for being with us.